In this video, I will show you how to create this 3D effect in Photoshop. If you want to follow along, you can download sample images. Link is in the description. Right, let's begin by reducing the opacity of the subject layer. This will allow you to position your subject really well. Press Ctrl or Command T and transform your subject to fit. Hide the subject layer for now. Select the second layer. Select the magic wand tool and click the white area to make a selection. Bring back the subject layer and increase the opacity to 100%. Click on the mask icon to create a layer mask. Duplicate the subject layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Delete the layer mask on the first layer. Go to Select Subject to create a selection around your subject. From here, some areas wasn't selected, so we need to create this selection manually. Click on the mask icon. Right-click on the mask thumbnail and choose Select and Mask. With the Refine Edge tool selected, paint around the edges of your subject to remove excess background. Click OK when you are satisfied with the results. Select the second layer. Click the adjustment icon and choose black and white. Follow this process and click the clipping mask icon to apply this effect to only the phone background. Hold Ctrl or Command and click on the mask thumbnail to make a selection of the phone screen. Go to Select and choose Inverse to invert your selection. Select the brush tool. Right-click and choose Hard Round Brush. Make sure opacity and flow is set to 100% and follow this process. Deselect your selection and that's it. I appreciate you watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button for more amazing videos like this. Thank you, and you can also check my other videos on this channel. See you in the next video.